In this video, we'll demonstrate how to seamlessly integrate a Facecam into OBS Studio on Media Magnet Guide. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about adding a Facecam to OBS Studio, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Welcome back to Media Magnet Guide. Today, we're delving into a crucial aspect of OBS Studio, adding a Facecam to enhance your content. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, stick around for a step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First, ensure you've downloaded OBS Studio from the official website, linked in the description below. If you're still using OBS Classic, now's the perfect time to transition to OBS Studio for enhanced features. Once installed, open OBS Studio. Your interface might have a different theme, but the overall layout remains the same. If your screen looks empty, don't worry, we'll walk you through each step. Begin by creating a new scene. Click the plus button. Name your scene. You can have different scenes for various purposes. And hit OK. Now, let's add sources. Right-click, choose Add, and select Display Capture for video purposes. Name it and click OK. If you have multiple monitors, choose the one you want to capture. Now, let's add your Facecam. Right-click again, select Add, and this time, go to Video Capture Device. Name it and click OK. Configure the settings for your webcam. Choose a custom resolution matching your webcam's capabilities. Remember not to exceed its limits to avoid lag. Match the FPS to your output settings. For audio capture, consider using a dedicated microphone for better quality. Choose the custom audio device and select your preferred microphone. To adjust your Facecam's size, click and drag the red rectangle from the corners. You can also add overlays by right-clicking, selecting Add, and choosing Image. Browse for your overlay and ensure it's arranged in layers correctly. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Let viewers know they can find more tutorials at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thanks for tuning in, and happy streaming with your Facecam on OBS Studio at Media Magnet Guide.